You got me. Today's the day. We're gonna try and make it to the lake. It's gonna be like a 3-hour journey, 4-hour journey.
I'll make it in 2.5.
And we're actually charging right now, going 2 miles an hour. If we had a sail, we'd be gone.
We're coming up to Shady Side Park. To the left is the natural path of the river, and straight ahead is a spillway canal. If we were to go that way, it'd probably be about 20 minutes to get to the lake, but there is a bridge that would hit right about here. So we've got to take the 2 to 3 hour detour and go left. Super windy. This is the time where you have to hit a very specific path so that your motor doesn't hit the bottom. There's Goose Shit Island. It's comprised entirely of goose shit. There are waves.
Yeah.
Goodness, it is super windy. Here we have Hate Tank 2, which means there was once a Hate Tank 1. The Hate Fleet.
We got the new net. It's perfect for
Netting thing.
netting. Oh, you went full boom.
Oh, about half.
Oh, half boom, okay.
If you go all the way, it feels like pretty flimsy.
Don't blow it.
Not to do it.
Did it sink?
Yeah.
Oh no.
River likes to take.
Dude, you had that thing for like 5 days.
Yeah, we used it on that bottle. There's the old tinsel tree. That light there, that's solar powered, and then I think all the tinsel is just to reflect that so people don't run into it at night. This place was jumping Friday.
That's where Led Zeppelin first played.
Led Zeppelin, the band from England, played their first show ever here. Helicopter!
Welcome to Money Pit Morning! This ain't too shabby. It got the motor off. We're going 1.5, 1.6. The wind is pushing us pretty good, but we're just charging our batteries up right now. 14 amps, 48 volts. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
We are now way further than we've ever been, and we're coming up to Selfridge Air National Guard Base. This wind is coming in super hard. God, it is choppy. Mark wants to take it out on the lake today. We might be going down with the ship. The wind is kind of pushing us, which is going to make our return trip interesting. Every now and then we see a boat that Mark likes, and he tells me to get footage of it, so just so everyone knows, he likes this barge and this tugboat.
Tell me that would be super fun. We're picking up a vibration. Our strap is coming a little looser. You tighten it?
Yeah, it's a lot tighter and I can see a lot less play. I still hear some kind of weird vibration, but...
Yeah, I think we got a lot of that going on in here.
Yeah. We found one boat on the river that's in worse condition than ours. I don't know how true it is, but Mark said that's the boat that Led Zeppelin used to cross the pond and get over here. There we are. There's Lake St. Clair. That's where we came from. That's where we die. Oh, you can see the waves crashing on those rocks like we're about to be doing. Well, on the one hand, we are here, but on the other hand, we could die.
I mean, we can swim.
You guys going out on the lake tonight?
We're not sure yet.
I wouldn't recommend it today.
Right.
Look at this. Yeah, we're not.
Yeah, nah. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. We gotta resync this.
Yeah, we're gonna need some upgrades.
You just need to make it stable. We're on the way back from the lake. We chickened out, but it was a good decision because we're gonna be pretty low. Probably the lowest we've ever been. 46%. Says we got 3.2 hours. The game plan is to go downtown Mount Clemens, try and plug into the city power so we can charge. We want to see if they actually have their power on. So rumor has it for the fireworks they had the water on. We're gonna try and get our taxpayer money back. So we got notified of a rogue stump just gotta check it out. We don't want any damage to any boats. We're just gonna give it a touch. And does it move? Or is it locked in? It's okay. It's not nearly as dangerous as we thought it was. The risk assessment level is only a level 4 out of our 6 level scale. Oh, Jesus, thank God you cut these screws off. I wrenched my arm. The wind just closed that door square in my face. Smart plug, put the little face into the base and it clicks. Seems good. Plug it in there. Feels like it's not wanting to go in. Let's try this one. Why is it not turning? Come on. Let's try this one. There we go. Yeah, this one works way better. It's on. So this thing just clicked. Now it's on. And now that thing's on.
We don't got a hose on here, do we?
I don't think so. Why?
So spigot definitely does work.
This thing's charging, by the way.
What's that?
Yeah. 1300 watts. We can actually do up to 30 amps. Seems like that did nothing. This thing does say 30 though on it. Jesus Christ. You think that's funny?
Getting better by the second.
So, this is a new one. E06 warning. And I look and the voltage is at 41.4. Shoots through an emergency anchor. Now we're just sort of sitting here and the sunlight's fading. This ain't good. What we should do is drift back into the sun.
Okay.
Somehow. What's going on, buddy?
Hey, how you doing, man?
Good, yourself?
4 panels on the roof?
We got 10 actually.
All night?
Yeah, 1,000 watts.
You could sit there all night.
Yeah. Is this thing still beeping? No. Yeah, I think we should let it charge up for a little bit though. And then just baby it back home. Let's pull up anchor and then we'll fly all the way back into the big open area. It seems to be going pretty decent. 74, 79, 92, 101, 110, 167, 198, 202. We're just gonna pull anchor and try and limp this thing home and then plug it in. It says 42%, but it is not 42%. So we gotta figure out what I messed up. Big day, huge day. What do we have in store? It's gonna be crazy. So we found this dude and we gotta see what's going on. Hey, you need a tow? What's going on, buddy? You need a tow?
That,
You need a tow?
I'll grab on. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, man.
I'm testing around. See a little crash, you know?
Oh man, you
Off my
okay?
windshield. Yeah, it's crazy.
This is the 2 weirdest boats on the river.
Awesome.
Right.
You on YouTube?
Yeah.
Awesome, put me out
Nice.
there. Look at this, my dog has that fucking crash. Awesome.
That boat's awesome, man.
Thank you. I built the Edmund Fitzgerald
Yeah.
16-footer.
So what's your name?
Tom Labuda.
Tom Labuda, okay.
Yeah, driving a smokestack. Nobody knows I'm driving in it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
This is a cool ass boat.
Oh, thank you, man.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
That's-
Awesome.
there you go.
Coming to get my ass.
Anytime, dude.
Awesome. You guys are the best. I thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Anytime. That guy's awesome. Dude, the motor just cut out.
Did it?
Yeah.
Shut up.
I swear to God, it like bogged.
Huh.
I wonder if we hit seaweed. Oh yeah. This is kind of bad. Dude, we gotta get the thing down. Jesus Christ, man, how long were we doing that for? I probably wasted half the battery. Dude, we're going like 4 times as fast.
For half the energy.
Exactly.
Still need more panels.
Yeah, oh, definitely. We need more panels, we need more batteries, we need more buoyancy, we need more boats, we need more materials, we need more subscribers and Patreons. So head on over, slam that like button. We're doing it. Today's our day. We grew enough cojones.
We're gonna go past what we're calling the break wall, see what it's like out there. That boat's rocking a lot, and they don't have a house on top of there.
Oh yeah, we're in the lake.
Oh God. Well, we did it. Time to go home.
Actually not doing that bad. I mean, granted, the wood beams might snap at any moment. A little terrifying.
I wish the camera was on a gyro and so the viewer could see how much we were rocking. As you said, it's actually not that bad.
It wasn't. Great, dude.
Well, that was a new record for us.
It actually wasn't that bad. It was bouncing around a little bit, but it got a little choppy.
Yeah.
That made my day. Dude, big waves are so much fun. If they weren't terrifying,
If they weren't flopping on top of the pontoons, that would have been pretty cool.
I don't want the 4 skinny wood beams to share.
That's the issue, yeah.
Everything in the cabin was just getting tossed around.
Yeah.
Everything could fall at any second. Hold on. What is it I see?
I see a guy with the lens cap still on.
No wonder what it is dark.
Well, if it isn't Sean.
The evil villain.
I'm really not
there's-
jumping on there.
Come on, Sean.
You could be a YouTube megastar.
I'm good.
Alright, Sean, hop on. Dude, this thing looks fucking cool from like weird angles.
Yeah. That's all I was gonna take video. I'll take video when you guys are leaving.
Hell yeah. This thing you could be in there fucking cooking with
Right
us.
now, on top of the roof,
Yeah.
get a grill.
Alright, dude. We're not slowing down. Don't mess it up. You got this?
Oh, clean pick. That was a clean pick. I'm more interested in filming you picking up garbage than I am.
Driving through cement columns. U.S. Army Corps of Engineers survey vessel.
Dude, that's awesome.
What is he doing out here?
Working.
What's he up to? If you guys know what he's doing, let us know. A little calmer seas today. No white caps. The waves aren't pounding on the break wall.
I think that's Metro Park. I'm trying to go there.
Let's head that direction, see how fast it gets closer to us.
Yeah. We're trying to get to that point right over there. Seems to be about 2.5 miles away. So we're going about 2.5 miles an hour because we're worried about the battery a little bit.
That's Metro Beach. It's like a local public access beach.
We haven't been there in a long time.
Hopefully they still got that rocket ship you can climb.
Oh, I remember that. Dude, it was way too dangerous.
There's no way it's there.
Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna go climb on a huge rocket. So we just got out here, and that's the spot where we're gonna go into. We're super fired up because we've never been this far ever before. Over there, you can actually see Detroit. That is a big city. So you can say that we're big city boys.
We made it to Metro Park. I don't see the spaceship.
Maybe Elon took it down.
I can't really bout up the competition. It's weird tags at the lake from a different spot. Will we be welcomed with open arms in this branch?
Oh, of course. We're the ambassadors of the Clinton River.
Is that a house?
It looks like a welcome center.
It looks like a ski lodge. Ooh, a plot of land
Yeah, it's
for Money Pit Boating?
for sale. All right, if all of our viewers throw in $1, we'll be $10 million short.
That White House is pretty cool.
Dude, I was about to say, look at like the diner. Is that a putt-putt course over there on the left?
Yeah, that's there. Yeah, there we go. There's the beach's putt-putt course. I kind of want to go play putt-putt. Weird yellow ball thing. What is that? Mark says it's a submarine.
So can we, like, get on that island right there? Can we, like,
This one?
yeah, get in the middle of it, like, make secret stuff?
I was kayaking back in the middle of it, make secret stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another island out there. We set more records today than anyone else has ever set in one day before.
Sorry, Michael Phelps.
We made a new distance record. We made it to Metro Park, and sun's getting a little bit low. Time to start heading home.
What do we got here? Walt crawlers. Look what we got here.
Sand?
Sand. Oh shit. For some reason, I always just assume it's on autopilot.
Which we don't have.
Yeah. Want to go straight across?
Canada's that way. Detroit is that way.
Strawberry Island's over there.
Off to the left is where we need to go.
We're not going. I am the captain now. Dude, it's hockey out now.
Did pick up some wind.
Imagine right now. Oh my god! If you can see it, look at this! That is awesome! Imagine putting up the sail right now. We're about to film the most beautiful garbage pickup in the world.
Oh.
Uh-oh. What kind of can is it?
Botanical tea.
What are these kids drinking nowadays?
CBD.
CBD, botanical tea,
Dream soda.
dream soda. You want to watch more of our adventures? Wow, there's water. Click right here. And if you want to check out our boat, watch the solar boat tour video right there. And thank you for watching.
Don't do it.
Yeah. Thanks for
No one
watching.
gets it.
Yeah.